Hi guys, this is Kelly from Heels, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course, and today I'm going to show you a seller finance deal that me and my brother have. We normally like to rent our mobile homes out, but on occasion, guys, we do seller finance our properties out. This is a seller finance note. As you can see, guys, this email was sent to me from apartments.com, July the 15th, 2023 at 3:36 p.m. The payment will have reached us July the 18th. As you can see, these particular tenants pay $514.85. This is an 8-year note. So if you take that $514.85, which is what they pay every month, times 12, which is 1 year, then you take that number and you multiply it by 8, which is 8 years because it's an 8-year note. That will give you $49,425.60. We paid $15,000 for this particular mobile home. If you're trying to figure out the return on your investment, or shall I say our investment, that's 299.5% ROI on this particular mobile home. Like I said, we only spent $15,000 for this particular mobile home. The rehab roughly cost us just under $1,000. This is what we do, guys. We get all kind of leads from our mobile home park manager. Join me at Hills, Deals, and Wheels Mobile Home Investing Course if you want to do a quick 30-minute Zoom to see if my course is something that you're interested in looking at. Please contact me, text or call me at 800-974-5580. So at the end of this note, we would have made $49,425.60 on a mobile home, and we paid $15,000. So roughly that's $34,425.60 in our pockets.